2004, 2006 Toyota Sienna. This vehicle has the code P2238, P2238, bank 1, sensor 1. On the other side right there of the firewall, same for 2006, but this is basically almost for any Toyota Sienna. I'm gonna be replacing the oxygen sensor and the bank 1, sensor 1. Be removing these caps right now, and this is a 14mm bolt nut. Same I'm gonna do on the other. You should mark where the wipers are, so they go in the same place. Right there. You can see how you ready to tape right there. And just in case, this is the passenger side. I put tape here. That is very sharp tape. Now this plastic, as you can see, it goes here on top of this here. This piece of plastic here, like a rubber, inserts over here. It has a tab here, and this is a clip here, the wire harness. Okay, right there, here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bolts. Another one here. Right there. See, okay, here. This is a grommet here, like a bushing. Just push it down. Then this one. Now I'm gonna be removing all the 10mm bolt here. One right there, one here. So 10mm bolt here, one here. Another one here. And this corner here, ready to come out. And now I'm going to be removing 10mm. Another 10mm bolt here. Okay, I'm going to put this wire harness on the side here. 10mm bolt for the air filter housing. Now the master flow sensor connector here. I'm going to be removing these hoses here for the vacuum hoses. Right there, 3 of them. I have marked this one, and this is marked, and this is marked too, purple, and so no way to the lows. 10mm bolt here. I'm gonna be removing this hose right there. Right there. This came out separate. Put it as one piece right now. I'm gonna be removing this hose here, right here, and because I don't want this to be on my way, I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take out this hose here. It comes from there, and I'm gonna this connector here. I'm gonna pull it out. It has a tip right here, and also this one here for this solenoid, because I want to put this aside. Hopefully some water or antifreeze might come off, might come out here, but right here nothing came out. Throttle body sensor, connector right here. This hose here, lower hose here on the throttle body. Now these hoses sometimes they get really stuck. I'm gonna be removing the ones on the intake here, the bolt 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, number 8. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. This type of Allen or hex, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I'm gonna just loosen. I'm gonna get help from the cordless ratchet. And this one's 13mm nut on the size. Another one on the other side there. Oops. I'm gonna be removing the 13mm nut first. Okay, I'm gonna lift this up here and I'm gonna put it aside. This is a ground. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna pry this hose here for that goes beneath the intake. Right there. Oops. You can take it out from here or either from the intake. I should have taken out from the intake maybe. But if it's on my way, I'll take it out. Right here. Okay. And I have put something here on the battery, so I have not disconnected the battery, so nothing is gonna make contact. I previously had something right there on the positive, so nothing's gonna short out or something. Now I want to mention something really quick. These intakes right here, normally they have some brackets bolted here and two by the throttle body. And those brackets usually are bolted also to the engine block. Now when you have those brackets, not in this case, I don't have those brackets. When you have those brackets, those are really a pain to removing sometimes, especially this Toyota Sienna. Those are more accessible, but this one is very hard to take it out. In this case, it doesn't have it either. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this 10mm nut here that is holding with this bracket here. It's kind of loose. In order to see if I'm able to lift up this wire harness, I'm gonna see if I can lift it up from here. Maybe I will have to take this. I'm gonna see if I can lift it as much as I can so I can place the tool a little bit better there. See if I can do that right now. Oops. I'm gonna take out this it's a ground right there. Oh, beautiful! Didn't fall because it's on the way to lift this. Now I can lift it a little bit better. See? Okay, I got this with a bungee here, the wire harness. Now I have more space there, and I have decided to take this ignition coil plugs off and put the connectors here, since you gotta be laying on top of the engine or putting your knees here. So I decided, and I'm gonna cover it right now, so I have to be on top of the engine. So, and because I don't want to take chances. If I put my knees here, if I lay on top of the engine, break the connectors on the ignition coils, I don't want to do that. Okay, now that's the sensor right here, right there. But now that's why I also have the wire harness here on top, because I don't want to. I might take this ignition coil off too. This one here, I might